First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will be solving a seating arrangement medium level, that is set number 14th question. So initially, don't forget to watch all my easy level seating arrangement, that is 25 videos, and then watch my medium level arrangement, that is starting from 1. So if you don't have time to watch, get my offline pen drive and watch all my YouTube videos offline. So now let me move on to the set number 14. So 8% FGHI, so F2M, all are sitting around a rectangular table and facing the center. So this question is based on a rectangular arrangement. So be very careful that, see, most of the students, what they usually do is, they will see it's a rectangular arrangement and they will go with, so here one person, here one person, here one person, etc. But if it is a rectangular arrangement, there are many types of the persons who are, for example, 8% can sit in the corners in this way. I can show you all the different cases, right? So we can make a person sit like this, 8% sitting in a rectangular table, or else like this, 3% facing each other, and 1 and 1, 8%. Got it? So another rectangular table making like 2, 2, 2 on each side. So be careful that if it is a rectangular arrangement, what type of question it is. So read the complete passage, right? So in which 4 are sitting at the corners and remaining 4 are sitting at the line. So here the rectangular arrangement that is based on model 1. Got it? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 people sitting at the corner and the remaining 4 are sitting at the line. It is in the middle. Understood or not? That is very important, so that you won't make a mistake at the end, right? So that's the reason I am saying, if it is a rectangular arrangement, first decide which model the question is and then start solving the question. Understood? So first point, so all are like the different colors. So our target is to find which person is sitting where and what color he likes. Understood? So first point, so F is sitting third to right of I. So I right hand side at a third place, F is sitting. So listen carefully, we can't able to fix I here. Why? Because I can either sit in the middle, right, or else I can sit at the corner. So we can't able to fix I here. What we can do, similarly we can go with the clue, right, taking as a note what I have teach you in all the previous arrangements. So I, got it, I right hand side at a second place. Who is sitting? I right hand side at a second place, F is sitting, sorry, third place, right? So F is sitting third to right of I. So I right hand side 1, 2, 3. So here the person F is sitting. So our next point is, and third to left of K. So K left hand side at a third place, the person F is sitting. So we already fixed F here. So now, so K left hand side at a third place. So 1, 2, 3, the person F is sitting, but we can't able to fix in this arrangement. So let me take it as a clue. So I right hand side at a third place, F is sitting. So K left hand side third place, 1, 2, 3, where F is sitting. Next point, the person who likes a red color is the immediate neighbor of J. So immediate neighbor of J, let me take a second clue that the immediate neighbor of J, the person who likes a red color is sitting. Understood? So next is, the person who likes grey color is sitting second to right of F. So F right hand side at a second place, F right hand side at a second place. So the person who likes grey color is sitting. So F right hand side second place will be this region. So we can say that the person who is sitting here, he likes grey color. Okay. So the next point is, and the second to left of L. So L left hand side at a second place, the person who likes grey color is sitting. So L left hand side second place, then definitely L should be placed here. So L left hand side at a second place, the person who likes grey color is sitting, and F right hand side second place, who likes grey color. Understood or not? So totally how many persons are there? 8 persons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it, right? Okay, so let me try to read all the remaining points. So green is a neighbor of grey. So green is the neighbor of grey. So either K should be green or this person should be green, because green and grey both are neighbors. Okay, so next point is, K likes pink color. So here the person K likes pink color. It's a direct statement and we already know that green and grey both are immediate neighbors. So definitely we can't able to fix green here. So only chance that this should be green. Understood or not? So next, so K likes pink color. Yes, K likes pink color. Blue and brown colors are not immediate neighbors of purple and pink. So just see here, blue and brown, right? So blue and brown is not an immediate neighbor of purple and pink. So I think both B is not a immediate neighbor of both P. Yes, blue and brown is not an immediate neighbor of purple and pink. Understood or not, right? Okay. So next point is F likes purple color. So F likes purple color. Okay, this must be purple. And see, purple, so this place is not for blue and brown. And similarly here we have pink. So this place is not for blue and brown. Understood? So I likes blue color. Okay, so the person I likes blue color. So next is G does not likes green, gray and brown. So G does not likes green. Okay, so this is not the place for G. This is not the place for G because the person G does not likes green, gray as well as brown color, right? And I think there are two possibles here, and we know that we already fixed blue here. Just see, we already fixed blue here. We know that the blue and brown is not an immediate neighbor of purple and pink. So we can't able to fix brown here. Similarly, we can't able to fix brown here. So only chance that brown should be fixed here. And now according to this question, the person G does not like green, the person does not like gray, and the person G does not like brown. So there is no chance of fixing G on all these places. Only one place is remaining. This should be G. Understood? So M does not like green color. So if M does not like green color, then M must be gray because M does not. Okay, so we have another gray color. Okay, so what is the last point? M sits at the corner. Okay, so the person M is sitting at the corner. So I think we already know one point, that the immediate neighbor of J likes red, right? So if I fix J here, these two are already fixed. Only one chance that this should be J. So immediate neighbor of J should be red. So this should be red. So and we already know that what they said, M does not like green color. If M does not like green color, then M should be gray color. And what is the remaining letter that we have is H. So H will be green color. So remaining only one color is missing, that is pink, purple, yellow. Yellow is missing. Feel free to learn, logo color is missing here. So that is yellow, right? So L will be yellow. I think finally we fixed all the persons as well as which color they likes. But here we have to fix in the arrangement. That is important. And the last point what they are saying is M sits at the corner. So any corner, right? It's a rectangular arrangement. So we can place M anywhere else here. So I can fix M here. So M, if I fix M here, just listen here. M, K, L. So M, K, L and M, H, F. So this will be H and this will be F and this will be G, J, I. Understood or not? That's it. So this will be the answer for the question. I think we already fixed it. I right hand side second is G. So we can say I right hand side second is G. And similarly G right hand side third is M. G right hand side third is M. It goes in this way, right? So we can say that this will be the answer for the question. Very interesting. So M, K, L, I, J, G, F and H. That's it. Blue, brown, red, purple, green, pink, yellow, and we know that both blue and brown is not an immediate neighbor of purple and pink. So brown not an immediate neighbor of purple and pink. That's it. So easy question, got it. So I won't say it's easy question, it's a medium level question, but remember one thing, if it is a rectangular arrangement, there are three different models what I have drawn here. So before reading all the clues, so first if it is a rectangular arrangement, try to fix whether it is model 1 diagram or model 2 or model 3. That is important. Because without knowing the model, you will start solving the question. After 5 minutes, you came to know that this is model 2. Right? So there you will waste more time. So that's what I am saying. Always try to read the complete passage initially and check whether which type of rectangular arrangement it is. Understood? So that's it. This will be the answer for set number 14. So thank you so much for watching this video, friends, and don't forget to watch my remaining videos. So thank you so much. Bye.